Year 2020 is seeing a major shift in our lifestyles, all thanks to the unfortunate occurrence of coronavirus pandemic, which is affecting all of us worldwide. Millions of us are forced to work from home. Laptops and mobiles have become digital classrooms and online workspaces. Prolonged screen time has led to increased eye irritation, rubbing, watering, headache, and disturbed sleep. My advice during this testing time is to not worry but take due precautions so that you can take good care of your eye health. Things that are required to be done are decrease the brightness of the screen, increase the contrast so that the light falling on your eyes becomes soothing, reduce the harsh sunlight which is coming inside the room by closing the window shades and adjust the lighting inside the room so that it is optimum. We should prefer using the white light over the yellow one. Position your computer in such a way that the light does not fall on the screen and is not reflected back into your eyes. The windows should be on the side of where you are sitting. To reduce glare, you can use blue light filter or you can use the auto adjustment mode for brightness on your mobiles or the computer screens. The text size and contrast should be adjusted so that it is easily visible from a distance. When we stare at the computers for a long time, our blink rate decreases. This leads to dryness, visual fluctuation, and eye fatigue. I advise you to train yourself to blink more often so that you can re-moisten your eye surface. We should take break whenever possible after a period of 20 minutes for a period of 20 seconds and also try to look at distance of 20 feet in between the sessions. This will help in decreasing the amount of stress which is happening in our eye muscles. We can close our eyes with our hands to relax them. We should follow this 20-20-20 rule whenever possible while working online to relax and make our eyes comfortable. We should also stretch our arms, legs, shoulders, back, neck to make our body relaxed. We can also wash our eyes with fresh water or we can use artificial eye tears which are available in the market to moisture our eyes. You can consult the eye specialist in your locality if your eye discomfort is not decreasing. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take good care of your eyes. Thank you.